Hello, this is Laura. We're here at SkipperBud's and we are looking at a new brokerage listing. This is a 2004 Formula 33SS. It's got a beautiful silver, it's like a sparkly silver hull. Bottom paint's in great shape, and we can see it's got those signature Formula long lines, deep V, and the SS model or Sun Sport is really known for having the nice sporty beam. This one is powered with twin Mercruiser 6.2 liters, 300 horsepower each. This boat is definitely quick. And we can see we have Bravo 3 outdrives, trim tabs. This is just a great, versatile boat. Lots of space where you can entertain. We've got a nice throwable there, easy to access. Just nice to easy, quick throw into the water if needed. Nice big sun lounge, and then this opens up and we have tons of storage space in here. So we've got our isinglass, we've got some carpet and different things that we have stored away there. We have a nice little galley space, great placement for drinks and whatnot. We can see the bolster seats do move, which is nice. Set up at our helm, we've got all of our navigation equipment. The Ray Marine is added. That was new last year. But we've got all of our controls, speedometer, fuel gauges, oil pressure, temperature, depth, our outdrive trim, all of that stuff right there. And it also has a unique system, this augmented camera. So this will show you when there's different obstructions in the water, and it will actually identify them as different vessels, which is really handy. Lots of cabin space down below. This is the perfect size. It's easy to, this dinette will convert, so you can easily sleep two people with lots of room. You've got just the necessities. So you've got your fridge, your microwave, lots of storage space, AC heat. Carbon monoxide monitor was replaced this year with a new Fireboy unit. And we do have a nice vacu-flush head. We have an added battery isolator, and we have an upgraded lithium battery in addition to the other batteries, as well as a second 4-bank battery charger.